Hey guys, this is how to update Porsche PCM software. So guys, I made this table over here so we can understand more and we can dive in deeper. So guys, first thing that you have to make sure is just simply check the PCM version that you have. So turn on the PCM and just simply press the source and info together to see the current version that you have. So from there guys, just simply go ahead and get the update DVD. So just simply buy the PCM 3.1 update DVD, buy the DVD from Porsche or a trusted vendor. And from there, guys, just simply go ahead and make sure you're a fully charged battery or keep the car running in a well ventilated area. And from there, guys, just simply turn the ignition on and set the lights to off. And from there, just simply insert the DVD into the PCM system. And from there, guys, just simply confirm the update on the screen when it is popping. And from there, just simply wait around 10 to 15 minutes and just simply don't touch anything guys or power it off so you cannot have any error on the update process. And from there guys, once it is complete, the PCM will confirm the completion and the DVD will automatically eject. And from there guys, just simply press the source and plus info again to confirm the new version. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.